How can Deepseek help us learn a language?
It's called Deepseek, and
Deepseek ultimately represents a...
It also comes from China, Brian. It's called Deepseek.
I'm sure you already heard about the new AI chatbot Deepseek. Now let's see how it can be used to learn a language, not just English, but French, Spanish, or even German. If you haven't used AI to learn a language, this could be a game changer for you. But is it really good? Let's dive in. I have already Deepseek installed, but if you don't, you can open App Store or Google Play and get it from there. After, you will need to create an account by entering your email and password. You can also use it on the web. Once you open it, here it is. You can start interacting with Deepseek. Very important, make sure you click on Deepseek R1. You can upload some documents to help you. We will look at how Deepseek can explain any grammar rule in seconds, how it can boost your vocabulary and provide some pronunciation tips. Also, how it can teach us various languages and help us in real-life scenarios. So what exactly is Deepseek? Think of it like ChatGPT, but with a twist. This AI is incredibly smart, accurate, and helpful for answering complex questions. An interesting tool for language learning. How to use Deepseek for language learning? What if you see a word and you are not sure what it is? Let's say serendipity, and you have no idea what it means. Instead of just Googling it, ask Deepseek, what does serendipity mean? How can you use it in a sentence? As you can see, Deepseek gives you a detailed explanation and an example. Boom! Now you have learned a new word. Plus, now you know how to use it in a sentence. Next one is Grammar Fixer. Are you struggling with grammar? Let's test Deepseek with this tricky sentence. Is the sentence grammatically correct? I go gym. Let's ask Deepseek what's wrong with this sentence. As you can see, Deepseek provides an explanation. This is like having a personal English teacher 24/7. Next, we have speaking and pronunciation. Can Deepseek help us with pronunciation? At the moment when I'm recording this video, Deepseek cannot speak, but it can teach you their international phonetic alphabet for any word. Watch this. How do you pronounce ambiguous? As you can see, Deepseek generates an answer and provides us the phonetic transcription. Now you know exactly how to pronounce this word. Now let's try different languages. I will ask Deepseek, how do I say in French, do you want to eat? As you can see, Deepseek generates the answer. After, I will ask the same sentence but in Spanish. Personally, I don't speak Spanish, so if you guys speak Spanish, let me know in the comment if Deepseek got it right. Now let's cover real-life scenarios. Let me ask Deepseek, how can I order coffee in English? It can be useful if you're traveling and you are not sure how to say certain things. You can ask Deepseek. Conclusion, so should you try it? Is Deepseek the ultimate language learning tool? It's definitely powerful, it's definitely efficient and quite helpful. So try it out for yourself and let me know in the comment if you like it or not. Me personally, I find it very useful and I'm trying to compare. My next video will be comparing ChatGPT with Deepseek. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.